So Gigabyte has just refreshed their Aorus 15 lineup. So now it has 3 models, the Aorus 15 SA, WA, and XA, which is the one we have here. So this is the Aorus 15 XA. So it comes with a 9th gen Intel i7-9750H in RTX2070. Our model here has 16 gigabytes of RAM and it is upgradable to about 64 gigabytes. It has 512 gigabytes of SSD storage and 2 terabytes of hard drive storage. Now, what sets this apart from the other 2 models is the 240Hz display by Sharp. So it's a 15.6-inch thin bezel Full HD 240Hz anti-glare IGZO display, and then it hit me. So you can game at 240Hz on this thing. Is there really a difference compared to 144Hz? Can you really tell? So we're gonna play some games and find out. All right, so you guys can hear that the laptop is kind of loud when it's under load. Anyway, right now we're in Fortnite and I've set it to 240 FPS, and as you can see, well, it's kind of hard to show on camera, but to me, right now, I'm moving in small circles and everything seems to be buttery smooth. Like, wow, cream. As I change it to 144Hz, to me, I can see that it's a little bit more choppier than before. So it's very subtle. It's not as sharp as before anymore as well. Ever so slightly, yes. Right now I have my game set to medium to get it to 240Hz, because if I run this game on epic settings with all the epic settings at 1080p, attempting to go up to 240 FPS, I can only get to about 120 frames per second. This machine isn't powerful enough to power the screen to, to kick it into epic settings with 240 FPS. So really, it just comes down to preference. Whether would you want to have more frame rates and at a lower resolution, or would you like to play at a higher resolution, epic settings, everything, but it's still pretty good 120 FPS. Personally, I would set this everything to epic, and 120 FPS still, for casual play, I guess, is buttery smooth enough. So that's the Aorus 15 XA. You can definitely run AAA titles with ultra settings and get good frame rates. But if you like to push to get that 240 FPS, all you need to do is probably just lower the resolution of the game or the graphic settings, and well, bam, you get 240 FPS. More information of the pricing of the laptop locally here in Malaysia will be announced on the 4th of July. So be sure to check our website for more information on that. We'll be sure to update the link in the description when it comes. Anyway, let us know what you guys think of the Aorus 15 XA and the whole 240 display thing that are moving into laptop territory. As always, like this video if you like it, subscribe to us if you haven't already, hit the bell to get notified of our future videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.